Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI. Do you suffer from cold hands in the winter? Well, let me tell you your solution. These amazing heated gloves from WESTON. Now, these gloves are next level warmth and next level softness too. These are actually my husband's. I kind of want to steal them, but they are so amazing. What's really nice about these is they can be used as just gloves alone, and that's primarily how he uses them. But they are thin enough too to be able to slide under another thicker pair of gloves if you want a double layer of protection. These gloves do have 3 separate heating levels and they're so easy to use. I love that they are rechargeable and they charge up really quickly, so they are ready to go when that weather turns cold. But let me tell you about the feel of these. I was blown away at just how soft and how comfortable they are. My husband said they're extremely easy to put on, they're comfortable, and they're flexible enough that he can still do even finer details when he has these gloves on. One major feature he wanted in a set of gloves is that he could still utilize his phone too. These gloves are touchscreen friendly, so he can use both his thumb and his pointer finger to access his phone when he has them on. Immediately upon first touch, we could tell how nicely made these gloves are. You can tell by the beautiful stitching, the soft quality fabric, and just how easy they fit and form to his hand as well. These are definitely his go-to gloves for the wintertime. They keep his hands nice and warm, they're soft, and they're easy to still function and do other tasks when they're on his hands too. So if you're looking for a nice pair of rechargeable heated gloves to heat up your hands this winter, I would 100% recommend checking out these awesome glove liners from WESTON. And that's just our point of view.